Welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to use WPS Office in PC mode on XIAOMI Pad 8 Pro. First of all, go to the settings, features for tablets, Workstation, turn on Workstation, then search the WPS Office, and here you can press new document and write what you interested in. Also you can save it. Also you can, as you can see, you can choose other mode like presentation and tables. Here is presentations. As you can see, we can do it here. Here we have program like Excel, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, please like button below, and goodbye.